All right, so it's day 20, so 3 week post operation. The last time I did one of these videos was like day 4 or 5 or something, and then I got really sick. So haven't been doing much. I've been doing the basic exercises, but since then I've been to see the surgeon, I've been to see the physio. I've recovered from the cold, whatever I had. So now I'm proper into the rehab program, and working with the physio. We're going to concentrate initially on sort of core and trunk strength. Get back into some, making sure we've got balance and stability on that leg, and then work back into the strength. So I did a lot of prehab stuff. So muscle definition stuff in my quad is still pretty good. And so instead of going first for the strength stuff, the physio said, just work on the core and the trunk. So I'm just going to do some of the exercises, and then I'll sort of just shift the camera around a little bit, and you can see I'm just doing a few different sets of some of the things. I'm going to start with some calf raises in my sort of studio here, and then we'll move on to some hamstring stuff with the ball, and then some sort of core stuff with what they call dead bug. So a few minutes, I'm just going to do these exercises, and these are some of the things that we've been working on as a sort of phase 1 really, or probably phase 2 of return to full activity. So here we go. So just doing some calf raises, 3 sets of 12. So this is my 3rd set. I think it's about 12. This is the operated leg now. So it feels pretty good. It's not as stable, I guess, as the other one, but still enough. I can work on it. So now I'm going to do this sort of hamstring work. So I'm sort of going to get into a bridge position, and then using both legs. This will evolve eventually into a single leg, but using both legs, and then bring the ball back. So I'm going to do 3 sets of 8 of these. This is my 3rd set of this as well. We're going to try and make sure that I'm not just using the left leg, make sure that right hamstring is working. Okay, now for the dead bug, and this is 60 seconds. It's really working the core. All right, so there's a few other exercises in this series, in this program that he's given me. So some wall sits, some sort of leg raises, both sides again. Even though I'm rehabbing the right leg, we're working both sides all the time, really to try and get back to make everything really as strong as it can be. Some sort of figure eights. We've got using these bands to add some resistance to the legs as well. Sort of really working the glutes. So again, sort of bridge work. That sort of stuff. So this is really my phase 2. I go see the physio a couple of times this week, and then the program may shift. Still can't ride the bike. I can do stationary, but I don't have a stationary bike. I can't ride to the gym yet, but I will need to go back into the gym fairly soon, which I'm looking forward to. And then just work towards moving through the phases. So they're the sort of exercise we're doing in this phase. Might check in again. Really, this is the plight of the amateur sportsman, right? Trying to do as best you can with what you've got. To try and stay and get back to activity following, in my case, an ACL repair. So cheers, and we'll check in soon on progress.